We will be docking in the Arabian Sea in 5 minutes.
Oh, I better finish up this chapter. Don't want to miss a thing when we get to Arabia.
5 minutes later, we are now docked in the Arabian Sea.
Ooh.
Passengers may now get comfy.
that passenger is funny.
Thank you.
That was a nice book. Ooh, there's a little thing. There's a little note that says how to order extra copies of this book. Woo! I love this book already. Gotta get off.
Don't I see a little pity?
I'm a person. This is my sun
What
visor.
is your person?
This is my sun visor.
Welcome to the Arabian Sea.
Thank you.
Are you going to see my show later?
Did you just come aboard?
What?
We're still in the ship. We're not floating in the sea. Did you just come aboard?
Yes.
Oh, are you the Arabian dancer?
Yes, I am.
Oh, then I'm definitely coming. Oh, wait.
No.
Save it for later. Damn, she's mean.
I am not mean. You are. Shut up. Boob.
You like him?
Arabian is always very nice. You're coming to our show, you said, right?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. It's at 7 o'clock. Sharp. Don't be late. I have the tickets. Oh.
10 minutes later. Wait, 10 minutes later on deck.
What's back? Ready for my show.
It's 5 o'clock.
I have to practice. Beauty takes practice.
Your head thing. Wait. Turn around. Okay, 5. Go like this.
Action. Beauty has to practice.
What's your name? Biotti. I go for Biscotti right now.
Beauty. That's been my name.
What's Biotti?
Beauty. My mother was Beauty.
Beauty.
Father was the Beast.
What the fuck? I hope you can hear me.
I can.
Not you.
This show sucks.
Not a show. What are you talking about? Okay. 7 o'clock. Waiting in the room for the person to come. Okay, I'm watching your show. You're go do your show. I'm waiting.
Wait, I'm not writing it. I haven't gotten my property tree stuck yet. No, it's a new thing. A beautiful beauty, the Arabian dancer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my darling. Stop it now. Arabian
None now.
Oh,
The gospel choir.
oh, you're praising Arabian.
We're gonna go get in.
My